Good morning. This pelvic anatomy lecture starts from a surgical endpoint, the Lancet Prospect Study. Vaginal repair for prolapse, 25% cure at 12 months. On analysis, the vagina is an elastic organ, has little structural strength, mainly collagen 3, and breaking strength of 60 milligrams per millimeter square. A ligament repair prolapse study, polypropylene slings, 10-year data, 90% prolapse cure at 12 months. On analysis, ligaments are the structural component of pelvic organs, mainly collagen 1, breaking strength 300 milligrams per millimeter squared. We can conclude that postmenopausal women need collagen-creating ligament surgery for acceptable long-term results. Structural pelvic anatomy. There are 5 main ligaments. They are structural and they suspend the organs like a suspension bridge. So here are the ligaments: pubourethral, arcus tendineus, cardinal, uterosacral, perineal body, and they suspend the organs like a suspension bridge. Here we are: pubourethral, uterosacral, arcus tendineus. The vagina is elastic, it's not structural. The pubocervical fascia and rectovaginal fascia of the anterior and posterior walls are stretched to open or close the urethra. And here they are: anterior vaginal wall, pubocervical fascia, and the rectovaginal fascia in the posterior wall. And here they are. There's the vagina. And it is stretched by 4 pelvic muscles. These are the pelvic muscles: pubococcygeus, levator plate, longitudinal muscle of the anus, and puborectalis muscle attaching directly to the pubic symphysis. So collagen is the main structural component of ligaments, and the collagen breaking strain is equivalent to carbon steel, 18,000 pounds per square inch. If the collagen is weak, here, the bridge collapses, you get prolapse. Damaged collagen ligaments is the main cause of prolapse and stress incontinence. Ligament collagen depolymerizes prior to birth, losing 95% strength. The head stretches ligaments at each level as it descends down the birth canal. So here is the birth canal, there is the head. At the top level, it can damage the uterosacral ligaments here to cause prolapse of the uterus. Further down, it can damage the cardinal ligament to cause cystocele. Further down, it can damage the perineal body to form rectocele, and more anteriorly, it can damage the pubourethral ligament to cause stress incontinence. Each of the 5 ligaments can be repaired, and you can use artisan tapes by cutting from a sheet of mesh or commercial tapes to create totally new neoligaments. So you can do the pubourethral, the front part of the arcus tendineus, the cardinal, uterosacral, and perineal body. So looking down on the pelvis, we can see that the head damages the proximal part of the uterosacral and cardinal ligaments. There's a head 9.4 centimeters, so it damages this part of the cardinal and this part of the uterosacral ligaments. So for effective native ligament repair, for surgery for cystocele and uterine prolapse, you approximate the proximal 5 centimeters of the damaged ligaments with collagen-producing number 2 polyester sutures. So for cardinal ligament, you suture the ligaments back onto the anterior part of the cervix, and for cardinal ligaments, you suture them together and shorten them to repair the prolapse.